Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Similar situation to some of the other coins. We're also coming down currently in what I believe is a C wave of a wave 2. Could also be, and that's absolutely something that I see coming for some coins. It could also be a WXY structure instead of an ABC, but honestly there is no way of predicting that. The difference would be that in the Y wave we have an A, B, C. But the point I try to make here is that either way, I believe we are in a correction. That view will be my view as long as we're holding above 485. Below 485, to be honest, don't really have a bullish scenario left. At the moment, I am looking at the idea that this wave 2 here, which previously was counted as wave 2 but not anymore due to the choppy price action here, that this is going to be reset. So that we obviously had the move up between December and early in February was just a wave 1, and then here it's an ABC correction, and that this is a wave 2, okay, and that in this wave 2 obviously we are, this can develop in different forms. It can develop as an ABC structure, but as an ABC structure, it should really come down directly. So in this C wave, but this first wave was so long that the proportions don't really match anymore. So for a WXY, however, I think we have a good case to make that this could be an A wave, B and C. Important is though that in this, let's call it bullish scenario still, the 485 level is holding. That's the 78.6 retracement. So we are about to enter support. Bear in mind though, in whatever shape or form this is developing. So either we go lower with a B wave bounce and then down, or we go down straight away in a C wave. But even then in a C wave as well, you normally have different subdivisions. So even here, normally I would like to see a clearer structure, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Maybe as an ending diagonal. The point is it shouldn't drop below 485. If it does, we'll probably have to unpack the bearish scenarios for Polkadot, and they would just entail another low. Either way, I think we are due some kind of a bounce here for DOT at the moment, but I also need to highlight that at the moment there is no clear sign that a bottom has been made here. Certainly selling pressure reduces a little bit. You can see that as evidence on the, let's go to the 1 hour chart. So selling pressure reduces a little bit because we start to have that bullish crossover here on the MACD. The RSI is heading into the bullish range, but this is only the 1 hour chart. Nevertheless, on the 4 hour chart, we start to see here bullish momentum still increase on the MACD. On the 4 hour RSI, we were oversold, so we're already on the way back up. So I think a bounce of some sort is due, and it could be that B wave bounce that I highlighted. What would be the first evidence that the move down is over? Well, I think, to be honest, we would need to wait for a break above the B wave high at 698. And if we break above that, we could head higher in a third wave. Really, to talk about targets now, it's probably a bit too early because everything has been delayed a little bit. But I'll probably have to measure it from a lower point. So maybe the golden ratio here. Target-wise, we talk about roughly $10 then for the third wave. But at the moment, I have no indication that the correction is over. I am still, let's say, bullish, but also need to highlight that below 485, this will change. So at the moment, it's just a bit of a wait and see, does the market, or is the market able to hold our support area here or not? We still need to be very cautious about new bear market lows, especially with the invalidation of direct breakout scenarios. Seems like the third wave wasn't quite ready yet. Maybe it's going to be ready after finding a low here, but it needs to hold 485. That's really the message, okay? Now we can also look at targets more directly. If we measure the length of the A wave here, or again, could be a W wave, go to the high of the B wave, then we're looking for the 1-to-1 ratio as a key point of support. It already reached the 61.8 extension. That's normally a very first common target for a C wave. The ideal or more common target is the $5 level here in this case, the 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, so I think we need a bit more patience. I assume we come down lower until I see a first impulse to the upside. And if I see one, I will of course let you know. All right, that's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.